This custom 1966 Lincoln Continental convertible is finished in black paint with red leather upholstery. Every piece of this car has been disassembled and rebuilt, and over 1,500 hours has been worked into this resto mod. The original engine was swapped out and is now powered by a Ford 5.0 liter Coyote V8 engine with a custom TIG welded stainless steel exhaust mated to a 6R80 6-speed automatic transmission. The original front frame and suspension were removed and replaced with a new professionally built frame rail system, which uses a modern independent front crossmember with rack and pinion steering. The rear suspension is fitted with a chopping block 4-link system with 4-wheel airbag suspension controlled by the latest AccuAir Bluetooth controller. This Continental rides on 18-inch Colorado custom wheels fitted with 235/45/18 diamond black tires. The interior is finished in torch red leather. Keeping with the factory look, the door panels were recreated with the original Lincoln heat stamp design embroidered into the leather. It features the original factory tilt wheel that has been restored to full working order. The radio is a push-button AM/FM retro sound with a Bluetooth system with an upgraded power antenna and Dakota digital dash controls. These components complement the original interior styling of the 1966 Lincoln Continental. The original air conditioning box has been modified with a modern-day internal components and is controlled by a custom electronic module which controls little electronic actuators that take place in the old-style vacuum system. The convertible top is a new black stay-fast canvas top with a hard rear glass window that has been converted to an updated modern-style relay system. The restoration modification history started in 2016 with the previous owner who was unable to complete the project and then was acquired by the current owner in 2020. Just imagine cruising down Las Vegas Boulevard in this car with a few sheets.
Hey guys, thanks for watching that last video. I hand selected a couple videos for you to watch right now. Click here.